Alright, today me and a couple buddies are gonna go kayak fishing. Springtime, hitting a little lake around us, and it's got a river that kind of comes through it. So there's some smallmouth, some largemouth, not a lot of smallmouth, but I have been out here and caught smallmouth before and caught more smallmouth than largemouth, which is weird because I've never caught smallmouth out here until recently. So we're gonna go out and see if we can't get on some fish today. I got a couple hours here before it gets dark, and yeah, so I figured, hey, bring you guys along. Nothing like kayaking early spring. You know, it's 43 degrees out right now. The water temp is probably about 40, 41. Yeah, so let's see if we can't jack him up. I'm about to hit a turkey buzzard, so try not to hit him and try and hit some big old fish. Stick with me and see if we can't make it happen today, boys.
You got bit yet?
No.
Me neither. Oh, there he is. There we go. Oh yeah, fish. Oh, big smallie. Get my little trusty net out. Holy smokes, dude.
Nice one?
Yeah, I don't think this net's gonna work.
That's a good one.
Look at that beast. That's a good way to start the day off right there. That's 2.5 pounds all day. 1.25. I'll take it. No. Cadillac, man. Oh, there's one. Get on up in here, boy. Hip. Oop, oop, oop. A little smallie. Bam. There's one. Come here, buddy. Largy. Nice. Bam, baby. Heck yeah. Going on an adventure. Yeah. Ah. I got a bird's nest.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. Back to the lake. Time to catch some fish, boys. I got one too. Look at him jump! Dude! I think I got a little largemouth. He's like staying on top. Come here, buddy. Back on the board. Heck yeah. There's one. Oh yeah. It feels like I snagged him almost. It might be a pike, dude. It's like I had to have snagged this. I don't know what's going on. Oh no, I got him. He's a good smallmouth. Come here, beauty. Oh! Dude, that was a stud. No! I'll just paddle with it. It's all right. There's one. That's a good one, too. This might not even be a fish. I haven't even felt the kick or nothing. It's gotta be. I got that branch. Dude, I got a bucket. What? Dude, that's killer. Best catch of the day, old sand bucket. Dude, I'm definitely making a sandcastle when I get home with this. Oh, man. Yeah, bucket mouse. Bill Dance. That's what I've been bumping into this whole time.
All right. That wasn't too bad. Done for the day. I ended up catching 7. My buddy caught 7. My other buddy caught 2 or 3, I think. Either way, you can't be mad. Early spring like this, freezing. My feet are super cold. Just caught some fish though. Went on a little adventure, and yeah, had a good time. So until next time, you guys know what to do. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you like these early spring fishing, kayaking adventures, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.